Greetings for the day. Nilgiri is also famous for producing tea powder. Mr. SivaKumar was one among successful entrepreneurs from the native of Kotagiri, was born on September 20, 1976. He completed his graduation and MBA program in Coimbatore and CPA by professional in USA. He worked as a chief financial advisor in World Bank for over 40 countries, and then he decided to start his own business in his native place, named as the Royal Heritage and Misty Mount TeaFactory in Kotagiri. He commenced his business in 2012 with 2 crores and their efficiency is 80 to 90% of production. It has reached over 10 lakhs kg, which reached 900 kg a day totally. Their annual income is about 10 crore. Tea is advertised as being healthy and energizing. According to him, the unknown in modern science, no symptoms for diabetes, cholesterol do not know what cause for the particular diseases. If we look into a population, some has diabetes and some are not. It has spread to poorest of the poor who works in daily basis. So this was his first hypothesis where it doesn't make sense. And so he got into extensive research to identify why these doesn't work and started producing tea, which might help it. His advice to us is to have a entrepreneur skill, dedication, passion for what we are doing, or knowledge involvement will make us the better business person. And also, he traveled extra miles to satisfy the customers. We in the market is always competed and tough market, especially when it comes to the customer and their demands and the needs changes constantly. The real-time explorer is important. He accepted all failure as a challenge and tried to rectify the problem he faced until he achieved his goal. If we want to be a successful entrepreneur in the future, we should start practicing these positive traits in our daily routine. Thank you.